traders, it's 3 minutes past 1 p.m. here in Brisbane on Wednesday, the 4th of October, and I've got my eyes on a quick spar with CADCHF. So just a quick recap and a reminder, I do have an open fight card with this opponent around the level of 0.6830. So this green line, let me just zoom in a bit into this area. So I was looking for another touch, a roll from this, and a compressions of price. So this is more of a daily, weekly type of fight that I'm looking at for that level. But with this fight card, I want to look towards the lower time frame and the move that we had here on the daily. So we pushed into this level and pulled back into it. We released some of this very, very strong buying pressure that we had pretty much all the way down from around the 65.60. So all through this pullback, we had strong bearish candles coming and pushing the price lower. So sellers winning this candle. Now, even though sellers won this candle yesterday, it's pretty much the first time that we saw buyers returning into this area. And you can also see that we are bouncing off a similar level. So I'm just going to mark that here with the red line. So we can see this is the high of this candle and two touches, and also around the round number of 0.67. Going back a bit into this area, after the drop from here, we can see we consolidated at this area and dropped again. So there is some significance to that area, and I like the fact that twice we bounce off this area on the daily chart. Now for the part that I like less. So if we'll take a look at the highs and what we've done with this, we came also very close to this ultimate high, but actually weren't able to ping it. So if we'll get precise, we can see that the high here is 68,296, and if we go here, it's 68,319. So just shy of this ultimate high. However, we were able to close above. So the close of this move on the daily chart is still higher than all this activity here to the left. So there are positives and a bit of negative around that, which is why I'm looking really for a short spar. So if we'll go down the time frame and start here with the 4 hours, we can see we had actually 3 candles, 1, 2, 3, rejecting this 67 level, and we're starting to rise here on the momentum indicators. Now, there's no clear direction at the moment. This thing can just go sideways and then decide to roll over. So I am looking for signs that the buyers are ready to take over. So the area that they are sitting right now is an area that I like very much. So I've got the location, but the intention from the buyers is not yet there. So I'm looking for any signs, any reason, anything that tells me that the buyers are coming back around this area, then I'll be looking to take that for a continuation of the overall move. So if my offense line will be somewhere lower around here, then I'll be looking for point swing at this blue line. So this is the last place that the sellers pushed lower, in and around the 67.50. However, if the offense line will end up a bit higher, then I'll be looking for one knockout, and that would be at this pink line just shy of the 68 level, because we can see from here we tried to push to a higher high and completely rejected it. So in and around this activity over here, there's also some touches on the way down and touches on the way up. So to summarize, I am looking for a quick spar here with CADCHF. I like the place that the daily pulled back into. I like this bouncing that we've got here off the 0.67. So I like the location of where we're sitting. And now I'm looking to see if the buyer intention is also translating into a setup. So I am looking at this area for my offense line, anywhere around here to show me buyer intention. As you can see, this thing is just going sideways. There is nice convergence or push of the momentum indicator so far, but no clear offense line yet. Once I get that, I'm looking for a quick spar with point swing if this is a good distance at the 67.50 and the full knockout at the 67.85 to 90 area. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.